In this video, I will show you how to create household to-do list in Excel. So open Excel and then click on New and search household to-do list. Then click on it. Now here click on Create. So you will see this template. You can customize and you can set up as your choice and requirement. The data in the table below supplies the available choice for the assigned to field. You can modify the entries or add new entries to customize this workbook to fit your needs. Also, you can customize here, like if something is not available, so remove that. So as we can see, this has option enter a number in done column when task is completed here. So just you have to type here done, then press enter. Here is the date and priority. You can select here from like high or low or medium. Assigned like dead child, and you can customize easily. Select a drop down arrow such as assigned to or priority to filter or sort your to-do list items. So this is the easy to use and easy to get the information for creating this to-do list in Excel. So thanks for watching. Hopefully guys you like this video. Still you are facing any problem or you need to learn how to create properly, so I will create a tutorial about this one. So thanks for watching.